The game is on. Are you ready to go all in at the best show in snow? The 29th Annual Snow and Ice Symposium is coming to Cincinnati, Ohio, June 23rd through 26th. Raise the stakes with expert-led education specifically for snow pros. See a full house of exhibitors at the largest collection of equipment and technology in North America. Invest in the tools to play your best game. Deal yourself into the conversation. Connect with top-tier professionals and forge alliances to help you beat winner. Don't leave your season to chance. Go all in at the best show in snow.